And welcome back to Guy's Garage. Right in front of me is my 2010 Porsche Cayenne. And if you've been following Guy's Garage, you know that I barely made this to Kim's shop because it has a massive fuel leak. So this is part 2, the inspection. We're gonna lift this car up in his shop and show you all that's wrong with it. Kim's gonna tear it apart. He's gonna look at everything that's wrong with it. So right now, let's head over to Kim's shop. Here we go. Does the tank go all the way back here?
Yeah.
Oh,
so,
wow.
You have to leave.
It goes all the way back.
Move whole thing to
You can't just slip it forward, no.
no.
Drop the whole subframe. Well, we're hoping we don't have to drop the tank because you have to remove the subframe. Oh my goodness. That's why it's... So you hope that there's a window up top.
Yeah. What year is it?
10.
2010, huh?
Yep.
Cayenne, huh?
Cayenne, yeah. No turbo.
A few moments later.
2 fuel pumps.
Yeah.
So we have to remove the tank.
There's no cover.
No cover.
They say you have to empty the tank. That means we have 2 fuel pumps. And then,
Oh, there's one here. This is a fuel tank?
yeah, this is fuel tank together. You see it?
Oh, okay.
But only one side, but they connect together right here.
Yeah.
You see that? We have to draw even the dry line. See that? They're together. One piece. Look.
Oh, it's one piece.
You look at it. Go all the way to the back. See it? You have to drop subframe. About 3-hour job.
3 hour?
Yeah.
You're a pro.
So
No.
if the O-ring rig around the fuel control module there,
Yeah.
it's gonna be fail EVAC only, small leak or large leak, you know.
Yeah.
But in this thing here, fall out like this is part of the line.
Yeah.
The line is a plastic, see?
Oh, it's plastic.
Yeah, they make by plastic on the new car. See that? This is the fuel line here. See that?
Oh, wow. Yeah.
See, this is the fuel line.
Oh, it's plastic.
This is the pressure. This is return.
Return and pressure, okay.
Yeah, see?
So is this the high pressure or the low pressure?
The in-tank fuel pump is they high, but it's not very high. They have another one high fuel pump pressure mount on the cylinder head or block, you know, to
Pressure
create
the
more pressure to injector, maybe around 400-500 psi.
400 or 500 psi.
Some they create like 800 psi. My Mercedes C300 4-cylinder turbo, they create after this guy pump that one pump to the injector open. That's about 480 psi.
Wow.
It's danger.
What do you think about the oil leak? Should I fix that
The
or?
oil leak, to me, if you want to sell, you can do it. But I believe this part of the valve cover gasket.
Yeah.
Normally, Audi, Porsche, they make by plastic
Yeah.
cover.
Yeah.
Sometimes even you put the new gasket, the cover is wobble and it still leak later.
Oh, that's oily too, yeah. Transfer
I
case.
think they come from here, right? I think the output sub seal, they split up there already there. But it's not very bad.
So maybe just check the fuel oil in the transfer case?
They have the seal here.
Oh.
You see how the oil spit out?
Yeah.
When the dry line spin.
Oh.
That's why, yeah.
Wow.
But this is okay.
You think it's okay? Not. You think this is empty or no?
We have to check.
You have to check if
I
it's
can
empty.
check for you. It's not hot. I'll just check.
Wow.
Welding.
Oh, it's been an accident.
Oh, that's ugly. You have to spray something in there.
Oh, it's a. Oh, it's been in an accident.
They cut already there.
So it's been in a bad accident or?
Bad until they cut there.
Wow.
Put another piece there. Yeah.
Oh, I see the paint. Yeah, I could see they painted.
They do ugly. They should put the seam sealer in there. Spray a little bit like a laser color, you know.
It looks ugly.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, I see the welds.
Yeah.
Oh well. Good thing I only bought
I
it.
look on YouTube, one Chinese guy, whoo, he do very fast.
Yeah. I see.
And you see it?
I see that. Yeah, I see it. Yeah.
That guy is
He's good though.
I know, he's fast.
But the emergency job is the fuel.
Yeah.
I have to do that one.
You want me make an estimate or
Yeah.
it's okay?
Yeah, that's fine. Estimate's fine.
The outside a little bit worn more than that side. And I believe it's still okay, but it's only like maybe 4 or 5 millimeters.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, I will do estimate
Okay.
for that label there, and I will email you.
Yep, that's fine. That's great. Valve cover gasket.
You see the gasket around here?
Oh, you think it's worth it to fix it?
Well, just try to stop the fuel leak first. That's very important. Then after you make detail, then we look, you know.
Then we look. Maybe I will use.
Just try to get the stop fuel leak first. That's
All right, so Kim is just absolutely fantastic. You can tell he knows his cars. He has been in the business 46 years. And I stand corrected. The Porsche has 93,000 miles on it, and it has front end passenger accident damage. Terrible patch job. I'm kind of annoyed that I didn't see that. I knew the bumper was hanging down and I didn't look right, but whoever did the repair job did a terrible job. So I'm probably not gonna be able to fix it. I might take it to a body shop, but it's probably a lot of money to fix it. Anyway, the damage, $500. I was thinking it was gonna be a lot more. So he's gonna send me a quote in just a minute. He's got like 6 or 7 other vehicles that he's working on, and he's gracious enough to work on my vehicle. So yeah, he's gonna send me an email on the estimate. We might do the transfer case seal. He's gonna at least check the fluid so it's not running dry. That's the differential between the front and rear axles. And then also there's an oil leak. He thinks it's the top valve gasket seal. So of course it's a Porsche. If it was a Toyota, it'd be fine. But 93,000 miles, this is pretty typical apparently. So, all right. Dude, I'm so excited for this new mechanic. Like, he looks like he knows his stuff, and his prices are pretty good, and he's no bones. Like, he just says, hey, let's do it on the cheap. If we can cut corners, we will. We're not gonna charge you an arm and a leg on things you don't need to spend on. That's the kind of mechanic that I like. He gives options. It's fantastic.
cracked all the way to here.
Oh, it's cracked.
Yeah, when you turn on the key, you see it.
Oh, it's spilling out.
Yeah.
Wow, under the seat.
Yeah.
Even though the manual said.
No, but they have the cover there. That's why they don't go up. Right now, if you turn the key on, you can see. Let me show you. Okay?
Ah! We're gonna see the fuel spill all over the place.
You see it? You see it?
Oh shoot!
It's dangerous.
Oh my goodness!
That's why I told you.
It stinks. Wow. So the repair manual said you can't get to it from the top, but it was wrong.
See that? That's why
the repair manual was wrong.
That's why I look at all that, the shop manual.
It's wrong.
And then I figured out it can be a 10-hour job to remove the fuel tank without just replace the fuel pump if the fuel tank is okay. It gotta be up here, and I decided to move this out.
And your intuition was right.
Yeah, I decided. I don't follow it.
Wow, that's good news.
Chocolate.
Oh, yeah. My wife.
I don't want to expose it.
I took it from the kitchen.
Oh yeah.
All right. So what just happened was I stopped by Kim's shop. We were just super nervous that it was going to be a $3,000 job. That's what my other mechanic said, because he didn't know that there was an access port under the rear seat to get to the fuel pump and all the fuel stuff. Anyway, you could see there, it's like spraying fuel all over the place. I could make $4,000 on this car because I bought it for $2,800. It's worth about $7,000 to $8,000 after it's cleaned. It does have a little bit of body damage, but not much. And so I'm super excited. So, and this car is a 5-seater, so it might be wide enough for 3 car seats in the back. I don't know. We'll have to find out. Anyway, subscribe to Guy's Garage. We'll see you very soon.